Hello everyone. Today's assignment we are going to make a easy game in this Pictoblox, and while we run the game, it's a maze game. When we hit the wall and the box will get into the default position. So to make this game, you come here, select a new sprite, which is the Beatles. Okay, then we delete Toby from here and we change the map to maze. Okay, so this is how we set up the then we can use a while loop when it is true. Okay. When it's true, we can always run this program. Okay. If sprite is key pressed, up arrow then sprite set direction for up arrow is 0 degree and sprite move 5. Okay, and we can also do the same, thing for every arrow, so you can get a movement in every direction. Okay. We can change this to down arrow, and down arrow we use 180, and this we can get the left arrow. Left is -90 and the right arrow is 90. Okay, so using this code, our Beetles can move inside the maze. As you can see, when he can move inside the maze, but we want to make a maze so we cannot touch the black light, the black line. That's why we need a code when the Beetle hit the when sprite is touching colors, where we using the RGB. Okay, never mind. Okay, we're using the RGB code for the colors. So 0, 0, 0 is the color for the black color. So when the sprite touching color for black color, the sprite gotoxy. Okay, to the original direction we want to set about -100, -150 and -150. Okay, we also want to set the direction the sprite facing upwards, so we make it 0 again. Okay, now we want the game to finish is when the box touching the red color apples, so we can use the same code. If sprite is touching colors, the colors for the apple is red, so we get this RGB code for the red color, and we can use the same. Then the sprite, we want the sprite to say that we win. So sprite say game over. Game over. Okay. For about 3 seconds. Okay. With all these loops, and we also want to break the loop when the game is over. So we set a break here. Okay, let's run the program. See, the program cannot run because we need to set a default condition for this game. When the game start, want the game how to start. Okay, so basically we want sprite. So we want sprite set direction at 0, okay, which is facing upwards, and sprite set size for smaller. This is 100, the size is 100 and about 50. And we also want the sprite spawn at the original coordinate, which is about negative 150 and negative 150. So after searching, found out the color, we need another bracket. So okay, we do this. We make, okay, then it should run. Yeah, okay. Okay, so as you can see, the game can run now. Okay, when we touch the black line, the box will return to the original position. Okay. 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 Alright. Touch the black line, the box will return to original position. So as we run the program, okay, when we hit the apple, it says game over. Okay, that's all for today's assignment. We can also set the arrow to WASD. Okay, when we set to WASD, when we run the code, we use WASD instead of the arrow to control the box. Okay. It runs well. So that's all for today's. Thank you very much.